Hey gang, welcome in. Coach Casey here. So today I want to talk about the place command. I know that doesn't look like a place board. I'm not the best artist, but this is what we're going to talk about today. And the reason we're going to talk about it is I get asked all the time, how is it that I can get a dog to stay on the platform so quickly with clarity? And that's what I'm going to show you. It's all about dogs. All dogs want to do is please. So when you show them exactly what to do and consistently show them exactly what you want, that's all they're going to do. But most people have a hard time doing that. And so I'm going to jump in and explain. But first I want to show you what this picture is actually supposed to look like. So this is a pet cot. Can you see that? I chose this one because you can actually see me through it, right? But you can see the legs. It just needs to be a raised boundary. You guys hear me talk about this all the time. But that's what this is right here. That's what this drawing is that cot. So when you're looking at this, visualize that cot I just showed you. So what I want to share with you is how we get dogs to understand that they need to stay on this cot. And then, while this video is going on, I'm going to show some edits of my dog, a little puppy, staying on the cot and then being released and coming off. But he doesn't get off until I release him, and that's what I'm going to explain to you how this works. So what we're going to do, guys, is jump in, and this is a place command. All right. And basically the way I teach this with clarity, because it's everything. Timing and markers are everything in training. And, most people just don't understand how to consistently show a dog what they want with timing, because if dogs live in the moment, every second counts. So when you're a second off or a second early, 2 seconds late, you see how that could really alter what the dog's perceiving. So this is why, if you've ever heard of clicker training, right? That's a marker. I use yes, same exact thing. I'm going to use yes because I don't always have this with me. So for this example, I'm going to use yes as my clicker. So what we're going to do, guys, is place means as long as the dog has all 4 paws on this platform, they can do whatever they want. They can be sitting up there doing jumping jacks. They can be on their back. We don't care. Laying down, sitting down, sleeping. As long as all 4 paws are on this object, and for the way we teach it on a pet cot, they can do whatever they want. So here's how we teach it. So basically what I would do is I'm going to get a lure, some food, and I'm going to take the dog and start luring them on this cot. And here's the important part, is that while you're luring them, some dogs will jump right on it. Some dogs are very scared about it. It's confidence building too, right? So as you're luring them onto this cot, you want to wait for that 4th paw. First paw gets on there. Second paw gets on there. So here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. You have to wait till that 4th paw, and then bam, you have got to click and say yes on that one. Let me give you a little example. Dog's getting up here slowly. They're kind of, unsure about this. First paw gets on, second paw gets on. There you go. You're luring them. Third paw. Here comes the 4th paw. As soon as that 4th paw touches, bam, yes, give them a treat. We're teaching them that all 4 paws need to stay on here. And that's what you're doing by doing that. All 4 paws. And you do this over and over, this muscle memory. Get them up there, the 4th paw, yes. The 4th paw, yes. 4th paw gets up there, yes. Now they're understanding, okay, all 4 paws are on here. I'm doing what I'm supposed to, right? Perfect. Now we go to the next step. And that is going to be how we teach them to stay up here, right? So now they're understanding that all 4 paws are good and they're staying on their little cot, right? So here's what happens, and it's just as important as marking that 4th paw to get up, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. Just as important to mark the 1 down here with a no. I'll actually even go up here and do this. All right, that's for this one. It's always yes, because you're telling them it's exactly what I want on the 4th paw. As soon as the 1st paw steps off, it's no. And we go into a reinforcing phase, but then basically what you do is you're going to say no. You can grab the leash or whatever you have on them, no, and you take them back. And if you stay consistent on that, think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, you're doing the command. Good girl, good boy. You can treat them while they're up there. You can praise them. You don't want to do it too overly excited because it's going to cause them to jump down. But, give them some soothing praise. That's a good girl. That's a good boy. Start walking around this cot a little bit. Tempt them a little bit. When you see them starting to lean, that's when a lot of people will go, no. You don't want to do that because now you said no and they have all 4 paws on the cot. See what I'm saying? So when you see them start to lean, you got to wait. You wait and you watch them and you go, there they go, there they go, there they go. And then when that one paw hits the ground, that's when you said no. And then you repeat no with a bridge because dogs live in the moment. So let's say they stepped off and went over here. They stepped off, I'd say no, no. I'd grab the leash, no, no, and I'd put them back. And I'd say, good boy. That's it. Yes for getting on the 4th paw. It marks it so they understand all 4 paws need to be on here. As soon as one paw comes off, it's no. So what are they learning? Place command means all 4 paws on here, you can do whatever you want. Notice we're not saying no when they sit down or they lay down or they do something on here. They can do whatever they want. It's when they choose to step off is it when they get in trouble. So you're probably asking, well, how they ever get off of this thing, right? That's where we introduce the release word. So basically in my first session, I always teach the place command. And what it is first part is teaching place means to get up on it. And your release word means they can get down. And it's usually like free. When you say free, they can go ahead and get down. If they get down without you saying that release word, which is free, here. Free. That should probably have been in green, but that means go, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, you're doing the command. Stay up there, do whatever you want. Stay up there as long as you want. If you get down without me saying free, I'm going to say no, and I'm going to put you back. If I do say free, you can get down and do whatever you want. That's how you keep this command intact. That's how you keep it with clarity. Does that make sense? That's when a dog understands exactly what they're supposed to do. Like I said at the beginning, this dogs just want to please you. Most people just have a hard time explaining this in a systematic way where the dogs are like, oh, this is what you want. You don't want me to do this, you want me to do that. And then you say, yes, that's exactly what I want with some good praise.
Place.
See?
Good boy. Ale! Good boy, good boy!
All right, there you go. There's your place command. Again, my artwork is not the best, but I think you got the point, right? What I was trying to say. Timing and marking is everything with this. If you just teach on the 4th paw, yes, 1 paw comes off, no, yes, no, yes, no. You're putting it in black and white. And that's what everything is. That's how you teach with clarity. All right, guys, until next time, I'm Coach Casey. I'm going to put a link in the pinned comment below. Click that link. It's going to take you to my website where you see me explaining all 6 phases of training. A little more in depth than this, but you'll get the great idea. It's kind of what this all snowballs into, is the 6 phases. You take every command, not just the place command, through all 6. And then when you do that, you're on your way to the true off-leash dog. All right, guys, until next time.